Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Krups EA8250, and this was brought in because it was leaking from the back. And what we discovered is that about right here, there's a flow meter, and I mean it pretty much does exactly what it says. It meters the flow of water, and there's a ring, a gasket inside, and it had torn, and the flow meter was leaking. And yeah, so that was the source of that, and so we went ahead and replaced it, and here it is working once again, and we'll test it. It's going to stop at about 2 ounces. And no leaks. Nice and dry underneath. Alright, there it is. Krups espresso machine functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.